Hello. Hello.
The teacher.
Ow!
Hello, Mr. Eric. Hello, Mr. Ryan.
Hello, Mr. Teacher.
Okay, so today, no. Okay, today, remember what we have talked about the linked list. The linked list? What's linked list? Linked list. Linked list.
Yeah.
What's linked list?
Is a list.
It's a list. What kind of list? Look, remember we have list. We have the list, the node, and we connect the node, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, connect the node. So we are given this, a head. A head. This is a head, yeah? We use the different color. Head.
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 So this is number 1, number 2, number 3. So today our job is to reverse it.
3, 2, 1.
Exactly. But it's not just changing the value. You are not allowed to change the value, right?
3, 2, 1.
You are not allowed to change.
Hours.
Yeah, exactly. You need to change the errors. Errors.
I know
The
how to
link.
spell it.
Yeah, you can change it this way. So any idea how we do it?
No.
No. Good job. Yo, do you have any idea how do we do it?
No.
You don't know.
Just
So
change the hour the other side.
yeah. That's the general idea. Change the arrow the other side. But how can we ask computer to do it?
Just a little change of side. And you just want to draw it. We need to ask the computer and find out, print down the hour the other way, please.
Good job. And when I said that you're not allowed to change the values, but if we are allowed to change the value, that will be easier, right?
Why?
Yeah, we can just follow the linked list and we push this value 1, 2, 3 to the array, right?
Why?
And then we go through this one more time, and then we just assign this value in the other direction, yeah?
Why?
3, 2, 1. So we are changing the value. Not why, it's the way to do it, okay? Do you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is one way of doing it, okay? But we are now not allowed to change the value, so
Why?
we are do this using the other way, just to relink the directions.
Why?
Ryan, you're being naughty again. Okay, so now how can we do it? Define, yeah? We're going to define, okay? Define. So how?
Define linked list.
Define reverse, okay? Reverse. Let's give it a head.
Column.
Which
Column,
is
you
this
forgot
one.
column.
Yeah. So if head
Head.
is none
Why?
or head dot next is none. So if it's just a single node or if it's
Why does the catapult end for none and now it is a lowercase?
Right. Good catch. This is then what should we return?
Return
If
none.
No. If it's
Head.
yeah, it return head. Because
Oh.
good job, yeah. because if it's a single node, the reverse version is a single node, right? Yes.
Exactly the same.
Yeah, exactly. It's a single.
Yeah.
Okay. So now this is the base cases. So what we want to do is that we reverse. We are now here, right? We want to reverse this. No matter how many nodes here, we want to reverse this bit. Yeah? When we reverse this bit, we want to change this direction to here. Yes? That's 2 steps. Alright?
3, 2.
Yeah? Don't worry, there could be a 4, 5, a little bit more. Yeah? But what in general, we want to change, this is head. We want to reverse this whole bit. And then once this is done, we want to change the link from this direction to this direction. That's it. Yeah? So look. So what we can do, n equals reverse.
And equals reverse.
Head
Why are you doing a different color?
That's okay. Head dot next.
Head. That's not the head. Is
Yeah.
the. Why
And
do you
then
like
head dot next. What's head dot next now? Head dot next is this now, right? Yes? Yeah?
Yes.
And then dot next needs to point it to head. Am I right? Yes?
Yes.
Yeah, so
Yes.
look, head dot next is this one. And then dot next is pointing to this, yes? Yes?
Yes.
This is head.
Yes.
And now what's this pointing? This is pointing to none, right? Yeah? So head dot next equals none. And then when return what? What should we return? What should we return?
We wish to turn none.
No.
Head.
Return.
True.
No.
False.
No,
Yes.
which no are we return? N or head?
N.
N, return N. Because the new head is somewhere here, right? Is this bit, yeah?
Yeah.
The new head is somewhere here, which is called recursively. So this is the way to reverse it. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, let me explain it one more time. Reverse. If it's a single node, we just return it. Because the single node reverse it is a single node, right? Then we reverse, this is the head. We reverse this large bit, no matter how big is that, right? Then head dot next is this node. And we need to change the link from this direction to this direction. So we point it to head. And then head dot next previously is pointing to here, but we need to erase it to pointing to none, right?
Yeah.
And then we return a new head, which is not this head. Yeah? With new head is somewhere here, right? But we don't know which is given return in N, right?
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Complexity.
Okay.
Yeah. Where N is the number of the nodes in the linked list, because we have to visit each node
You tell
and then
us
change
the
it.
answer.
and change the direction, yeah? Good job. How can we do it without a recursion?
What?
We can do it using another approach.
If you don't change the middle.
No, we can do this. Have a previous node, and then we have a current node, and every time, right? Every time previous node is current node, yeah, pointed to current node, and we just need to go back to the direction and move it. Okay? Yeah. Can you sit down, please, Ryan? Yeah. Okay.
And I'm gonna move here then.
Okay, good job. So now let's do this using this. Define reverse. Are you okay?
Yes.
Head. What's missing here?
Always.
Always. Okay.
Yeah, always. A column.
So
at the end of the first line.
previous node is none. Yeah, because the previous node here. Look, this is the head, yeah? This is the head. Head. And then I have these nodes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the previous node is none. Is none here, previous node. Is the dummy node. And then the current node equals head. Current node is head.
Yeah.
Current node is head, yeah? Current node is head, yes? Then when we current node is not visited to the end. Why? Current is not none, yeah? So what should we do? What should we do? What should we do now?
We should next
Next structure, what do you mean? So stop looking at my notes. So we define a node, yeah? Next term equals, we need to say this current the next, yeah? Current the next. So again, this is current now. This is current now. We need to save this word, save this node, right? So next term equals current the next, and then current the next
equals previous.
Yeah, because we need to point it to previous node, right? Yes? Good job, yeah?
Yeah.
So this is just to change this. The current is here, right? Its link is here, but I need to rechange it to the previous node, yeah? This is to change this direction. To change it, right? Yes? And then what's next? Then what's next? What's next?
So.
So now previous node, then we need to update it. Previous node equals current, yeah? Previous node equals current. And then current will be
Next temp.
current will be next time because we're saving this. Current will be this one, yeah? Next time.
Return previous.
Return previous because previous node, the last previous node will be the new head. Right? Got it? Got it? Do you see it? Do you see this how you are?
I see it.
You see it, yeah? You see it! Yeah, you see it.
I see it.
Do you understand it? Do you understand it?
Yeah. Yeah. So.
No, this is not, no. Okay, so this is the, so to sum up, okay? Can you be good boy, okay? To sum up, this previous node and the current node, okay? So these are two nodes that are moving along the linked list, right?
Yeah.
Every time we move along the linked list, we change the direction, which line of it is changing the direction? Which line of it is changing the direction?
I can see it.
Which line of it?
This.
Now this is moving to the next. Which line is changing the direction? Which node is pointing the direction back to the previous one? Which one? Yes, current. This is current node, and then previous node. I need to point it back, right? And then these two are just to move the previous and current node one position. Yeah, move forward, right? Yeah. Got it? Okay, the coding time. You need to wait for me to turn on, otherwise it's a bit dark. Shh, keep quiet. Okay. Keep quiet.
Oh, do we need to rub out the board?
Oh, yeah.
I need to take it off.
Wait, let me go. No. Are you okay?
Yes.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay, sit down, please.
Yes.
Is it clear? I can't see it. Why I can't see it?
Let me see.
Oh, wait. I need to.
Oh, wait.
Can you sit down, please? Sit down. Do the coding time. Sit down, okay? Is it blurry?
Blurry. I guess a bit. No. That is it.
Yeah, that's better, yeah?
Connect to 190.
Is that better?
168.1.105. Log in as.
Is that better?
Yes!
Wait.
Let me
Wait a minute. Oh, it's a
Let
bit
me
blurry.
see.
Oh, yeah, that's better now. That's better.
Okay. Me.
Don't shake because if you shake the screen will be shaking as well. Okay.
Password.
Hello, this is my channel, okay?
And welcome.
Okay, remember we have this node, yeah? This node is still okay. So remember, this a cycle thing, do you still remember? Yeah, that's the previous lessons, yeah? A cycle, yeah? In one lesson we checking if there's a cycle, right? Remember?
Yeah, we know what the cycle is.
Now look, this head thing, we are creating a linked list with node from 1 to 10 to 9, okay? Okay, now we want to reverse it. So if now I print it, let's say if I print it now, let's say look, if p equals head, and then for yp print p dot value, p equals p dot next node. So what's the answer now? If I print this, what's the answer? What's the expected output? From 1 to 9, right?
Yeah.
Print it from 1 to 9 because the linked list is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. Now we want to reverse it, yeah?
And turns into what we were.
Look, this is let's say
Turns into
pre
what is it now?
before reverse the linked list.
That's not how you spell reverse. You forgot the R.
Well done. REVERSE.
R.
Okay, okay. Then now we can say print it after reverse. Okay, the linked list. So, but we need to do the actual reverse. So let's do this.
6.
Let's do what? P equals the reverse link. Yeah, reverse the head. The head is not changing, and then now we need to now we need to print it. So let's actually define a function to print the linked list. Okay, so define print linked list head. Okay, so now p equals head. Yp is not none. Okay, or yp. We can do this. Yp print p dot value. P equals p dot next null, right? Next null. That's it, and then and we can replace these. Replace this, yeah.
Yeah.
Print the linked list. Head, okay?
Head.
And then after reverse, we can just print it again, right? Print again.
After reverse the linked list, before the reverse link, the linked list.
Okay.
What does
So
it
now
mean?
we need to do the reverse thing. Okay, reverse it. Yeah. Head. Do you still remember? If head is none, or head dot next is none, next null is none, right? Yeah. Return what? Return what?
Return head.
Head. Well done. Now we need to reverse its next bit. Yeah. Head dot what? Head dot what?
Head dot.
Next null. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then head dot next null equals what?
Head.
Head. Well done. And head dot next null equals what?
Head.
No, none. Because we need to remove it. Yeah. And return what?
Head. No, none.
N. Return n. Okay. So now look, if we reverse it, now we reverse it. So it should print what? What's the answer? What's the answer here?
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Yeah, well
3,
done.
2,
Look,
1.
yes. You see? Yeah, before reverse, the link is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 7, 9. After reverse, the link is 9, 8. Yeah? Yeah? Let's try
Yes.
let's try the other approach. This is one approach, reverse, yeah? Let's do a second version. Can you sit down, please? Define reverse to head.
Yes.
Remember what we talked about? Previous equals none. Current equals head. Y current, right? Y current is the same as Y current is not none. Wow. We need to save the current dot next null, right? And then current dot next null will be previous null. Previous null will be current null, and current null will be next term. And return.
Previous.
Okay, let's try. Reverse 2, right? Okay, reverse 2. Yeah, it's the same. Yeah, you see, it's the same. Yeah, yeah, got it. And how about the one we talked about in at the beginning, which is not reverse version 3? Do you get it? How about let's do it reverse version 3, just by copying the values. Which is reverse 3. So we need to save it in the data. Yeah, data is an array. Yeah, data is a then what? P equals head. YP data dot append. We put it into the value, and then P equals P dot next now, right? Now the data, we got the data. Yeah, data which is 1, 2, 3, 4 to 9, right? And then now we need to go back to the head, and then Y P what?
Daddy, you don't know, remember?
YP, what do we do now? We need to assign the value. P dot value equals data dot top. Remember? Yeah. And then P equals P dot next. Now, and return head. Yeah, because we are not changing the node. We are just changing the value, right? Yes.
Yes.
Let's do this if it is working. Yes, exactly, it's working. But for the last version, it's just changing the value of a node. It doesn't change the direction. Do you get it? Yes? Do you understand, Eric? Yes? Let's see the code one more time. So we have a 3 version. Yeah. This is twin. Reverse it. This is the recursion version. Yeah, recursive version. And reverse 2 is the iterative version.
How many lines did you write?
Sorry?
How many lines did you write?
Maybe just 50. Yeah. Okay. So get it?
58.
Yeah. Interesting. Yeah. Okay.
It's Chinese. We speak Chinese, but we don't.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job today. Say bye bye to people.
Bye.
Bye bye. Turn on the lights, please.
Bye.
Thank you. Good job. Good job.
Bye.
Good job.